calling to see if Melvin, the warranty division. Can you please verify the year, make, and model of your vehicle so we can pull up your file?
I have a 2016 Kia Soul.
It's 2016 Kia Soul, is that right, please?
Yep.
Yeah, do you know approximately sir how many miles are on this vehicle now?
About 75,000.
Okay, thank you. Sir, lastly, can you also please verify your zip code?
Sorry, what was that again?
Your zip code, sir? Your postal code?
11225.
Okay, again, that is 11225.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. Sir, at this time, I'm going to bring a licensed specialist on the line to go over all the information with you, okay? So please stay on the line for a moment.
Hello?
Thank you for holding. My name is Peter. I will be your authorized agent. How's your day going?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. The reason for the phone call is just indicating here that you have yet to extend past the manufacturer's coverage.
Yep.
In regards to the vehicle, it still runs perfectly fine.
What?
Your vehicle still runs perfectly fine?
Yeah, I've got a couple dents here and there, but yeah, it still runs pretty well.
Do you have any oil leaks, any engine lights on?
No.
I'm speaking with John.
Yeah.
Alright, you have yourself a piece of paper and a pad handy, sir. It does help for you to visually see some of this information.
Okay. I have a pen here.
Alright, so, the call is going to be recorded. Now, the vehicle,
I'm sorry, what was
alright,
that
can you
again?
stop burping on the phone, dude?
No, okay.
Yeah, you're kind of being very disrespectful. I'm trying to go over information with you. If you'd like to move forward, let me know. If you want to end the call, let me know.
No, I want to move forward. Keep going, keep going.
Right. So I'm not going to waste my time with you, dude. You have yourself a great day.
Oh, but wait.